Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the environment stable and the balance ready. First, place the balance on a level, vibration-free bench and confirm room temperature is steady within 1 to 2 degrees. Once powered on, allow the instrument to warm up for the manufacturer-recommended interval, typically 30 to 60 minutes, so readings stabilize. Make sure the pan and draft shield are clean and use gloves to avoid oils. Place the empty container, 0, or tear the display, and confirm the balance reports 0 before introducing any sample. Next, focus on accuracy through calibration and careful handling. If your balance has internal calibration, run it following prompts. If external is required, use traceable certified weights near the expected mass to reduce scale nonlinearity. Place the container and tare, then introduce sample with tweezers or a spatula. Always wait for the stable indicator before logging a value. Make sure you never exceed capacity and keep the draft shield closed. These steps reduce systematic error and ensure repeatable, defensible measurements for your analysis. To finish, take the measurement and verify consistency. Record the mass when the balance shows stability, then remove the sample and confirm the tare returns to 0 or original value. This checks for residue or drift. Perform replicate measurements and run a check standard periodically to confirm precision and accuracy. If you see drift, increased noise, or inconsistent readings, recalibrate immediately, reevaluate room conditions and drafts, and inspect for contamination or mechanical issues. These actions usually resolve common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.